What is up everyone? So today I've got this MEPS AIO 15M sent to me by Mepsking, and they've asked me to do a video about this AIO. So this is a 15M F411 1S AIO. Now looking at the AIO, it looks quite similar to the one from Beta FPV. This seems to be of really good quality. Oh hello, this is a BL Heli 32 ESC. Alright, so this AIO has got a BL Heli 32 ESC, and that makes a huge difference, and it's got all the necessary MOSFETs and chips made available onto this flight controller. Now I don't see a receiver chip, nor do I see a VTX chip, so this is an AIO without the receiver and VTX. Also included in the package are these LiPo connectors, and I see a BT 2.0 connector. Alright, so let's take a look at the PH 2.0 that comes with it, and this is a hollow pin, so I'm definitely not going to be using this. Let's stick to the BT 2.0 as that is the better connector. So I have these 1S 660 mA LiPos with the A30 connectors, and this would definitely fit with the BT 2.0. And since this is the only LiPos that I have with the A30 connectors, I'm thinking that I should build a 3-inch or 2.5-inch long-range micro. So I'll be using these 1S 1202.5 motors and the Crux 3 airframe, and I'll just build a 2.5-inch based on this particular build, and I'll use an HD0 VTX just for that slightly better video quality as compared to an analog build. Just so you know, these AIOs are also available as a set with the 1103 motors on the Mepsking website, so please do check them out. Right now I'm just gonna fast forward a little. Now because this is an F411, it doesn't have that many UARTs available, so if I'm using one UART for the receiver, then I only have one available UART for the VTX, and the HD0 VTX requires 2 UARTs for the VTX as well as the smart audio. So I'm just gonna sacrifice the smart audio and just build it as is, just making use of the 2 UARTs that's available on this particular AIO. For the receiver, I will be using this Happy Model EP2, and this is flashed with the Express LRS V3. So here I'm wiring up the HD0 VTX and the ELRS receiver, and what you need most is the pinouts that's available on the Mepsking website for this particular AIO. So now that the wiring's all complete, what's left is just putting it all together and assembling the micro drone. Alright, so this flight controller came in Betaflight stock tune, so I've had to do a little bit of tune-up just to make it fly a little better. So these are the tunes that I use for this 2.5-inch micro, as well as the filter tunes. The quad's now all built, tuned and bound, so let's head down to the field.